Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan, decreasing IBS, decreasing indigestion, heartburn, the hair, the gut, the skin, you name it, guys. What are we doing today? 1, 2, 3, 4 drinks, ready to rock and roll. Just gonna fill in with water. I'm gonna make 2 more for you right here with all this healthy colors of the rainbow, guys. Let's get it now. Alright guys, welcome back. So in front of me, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ball jars. Then I have water. I'm going to step in front of the camera, up close, to show you exactly what's in there, okay? These bad boys right here are stocked in my refrigerator and or more of them. Why? Very hydrating, the vitamins, the minerals, and that's what I'm looking for on a daily basis. So let's go ahead and grab one of these guys right here. We have some oranges, we have frozen cherries, and we have frozen blueberries. There's a lot of freshly squeezed oranges and lemons in here. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and mix and match whatever you like. You can go ahead and substitute any of the fruits in here for whatever you like at home. But I'm going to show you in my other videos how I get that deep, rich color, all right? So here you go. Ready? As I spill it all over the place. Look at that. That right there, stick it in the refrigerator overnight, let all the flavors mesh together, wake up in the morning or whenever you want and grab it, and this bad boy right here has tons of health benefits, guys. Okay? That, my friend, is going to be one of them. Let's put that ball jar over here. The second one right here. I have watermelon and I have the middle of a pineapple, guys, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and freshly squeezed oranges in here and lemons. I'm gonna fill it like that. Look at that. You could drink it just like this. Very refreshing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one right there. This bad boy right here, look at this. We have the grapes, we have the pineapple, we have for the wrinkles and the clearing of the skin. Good for your blood pressure, fights inflammation. Then we have the lemons in here. The grapes, backing up, fights against cell damage, constipation, migraines, asthma, you name it. This bad boy is a beast right here. So let's go ahead and fill this one up with some water. Now there's lemons in here and freshly squeezed oranges in here too. So look at that. Number 3 coming at you, guys. 1, 2, 3. This bad boy right here. We have some lemons in here for the detoxification of the body. Then we have cranberries fresh for the urinary tract. Then we have the raspberries for the fiber, okay? Then we have the strawberries for the immune system. Then we have freshly squeezed oranges in here and lemons. Let me tell you right here, this is no joke, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can put them in any type of container that you like or any type of jar. That's going to be 1. Put a top on it. I think I have about 5 or 6 in my refrigerator now. Okay? The more the merrier, right guys? The more the merrier. I'm going to go ahead and bring the camera up close, all right, to show you how easy it is to make these 2 right there for you. So let's go ahead and bring this camera up close. All right, so we have the lids off of these jars right here. Remember, you can use any type of jars that you want, guys, okay? It's nice to have one of these bad boys right here. This is a ball jar funnel. Makes the circumference bigger. If you see my other videos, I use this thing faithfully, all right? Just so you don't make a mess, all right? So let's go ahead. The water I like to put at the end, okay? So in this guy right here, we're going to go ahead and do pineapples, all right? Pineapples are good to decrease the wrinkles, okay? Clear your skin up, good for your blood pressure, fights inflammation. The bromelain, which is a protein and a digestive enzyme, guys, all right? It's good for anti-inflammatory effects in your body. And that's what we want to do, is decrease the inflammation of your body, right? Good for the heartburn, good for the bloating, the indigestion, you name it. The pineapple, whew, top of my list, guys. We're going to go ahead and add some oranges right there. Not only that, let me come up here a little bit. I do have ginger root. We're going to go ahead and add some of these pieces right in there like that. That thing is going to be very potent. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some lime right there. Look at that. And we're going to take a little lemon. We're going to throw it in there. All right. I do want to put some grapes in there because I absolutely love grapes. Like I said, good for the constipation, the migraines. There you go. And maybe 1 or 2 strawberries for the color. All right. And I didn't even use the funnel, all right? But I'm going to set that aside. So let's go ahead and do this one right there. We're going to go with raspberries because I like those for the fiber and everything else underneath the sun. I do want a few oranges in there. Okay. I do want a lime, a nice freshly squeezed lime in there. Squeeze it all in there. Okay, we're going to go with some more strawberries, a little bit of pineapple, just a little bit, and we're going to go with just maybe a handful of blueberries, frozen blueberries, guys. That's what's going to give you the deep, rich, dark, bluish purple color. Then we're going to go ahead and fill it with water. That's it. That's all you have to do. And let it do its job in the refrigerator, guys. A little bit more there. And I think I could top it off with a little bit more right there. Matter of fact, let me add a little bit more water, and I think we are good to go on these guys. Look at that. Very refreshing. Now, we're going to go ahead and do this. This right here, apple cider vinegar, guys. What's apple cider vinegar good for? Controlling of the blood sugar, amongst other things. We're going to add a little bit in there, and we're going to just add a little bit in there. Remember, a little bit goes a long way, okay? So look at these two. Simple, easy, rockin' and rollin' for you guys. We have the pineapple through the decreasing of the wrinkles, the clearing of the skin, the inflammation, the hair, the joints, the digestive health, the decreasing of the heartburn, bloating. This guy, whew, much needed in somebody's refrigerator like mine, okay? This right here has the strawberries, boosting of the immunity, the folate for the fatigue, the heart healthy, the cancer fighting agents, the blueberries for the fighting of the free radicals. You name it, these two are power packed. That's all I have for you today, guys. So much more information in my other videos. Go ahead and check them out. Thanks for watching. Remember, you got this. Own it. You're worth it. Be well and be safe, guys. Thanks for watching.